do now is just go through how you would actually connect up your account to the automated banking feed, or to upload manually if you don't want to do that. That should be ahead of what we're going to be doing next. So when you click on banking, the first times you'll get something like this. It says to connect account or upload transactions. If you click connect account, you'll be faced with this. Now, obviously I haven't got a live bank account I can actually connect to for security reasons, but I'll just show you what happens when you click on a few of different of these. So for HSBC, if you click on there, it'll ask you for your username and password, which is the same username and password that you'd use when you log on to internet banking. So click back, go to NatWest. You'll have your custom number, PIN and password, which you'll use when you try and log on. And do Barclays for business. You ask for your surname and your membership number. And let's just do another one for an example, Lloyd's. Again, username and password. So that's what you would do if you're connected to the automated banking feed, and it'll just be like signing into your internet banking. You may need your little card reader or PIN fob to actually get in there once you've done your username and passwords. Now I'm going to come out back and I'm going to click out of this. So if you don't want to have an automated bank feed at the moment, what you can do if you use internet banking is download a CSV file from the internet banking of your statement or recent transactions and upload that into here. I've created a dummy one, so if we click upload transactions, I'll show you what happens. I'm going to click on browse to find the file and click on there. Click next. Choose the account it's going to connect to, which is the current account. I haven't got a header row in there, so I'm taking that off. I'm going to go to the date, and it is in day, month, year format, description column, and the amount column. Now, with CSV files, there are two ways that it might download. Most of them will have one column with both positive and negative numbers. So for monies in and out will be in the same column. So that's the one column format, which I've got selected here. However, there are some CSV files that will do it in the two column format. So money in one column, money out is in another column. So we do that if we did that, and it would ask you which column was which. But this file is in a one column format. So I'm going to click on next. It then has a thing here of all the transactions. Click on next again. Click on yes, I want to do it. And I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to click on let's go. So what it will do is then show you these transactions. We'll go over this in a bit more detail in the next chapter. But here, for example, train line, it's kind of suggested travelling expenses because it knows what that is. B feature, it's suggested entertaining. And these three have got things on there that I've got on the system already. So Jones Limited, it's got an invoice that's been raised for Jones Limited for £350. You can click on match. Smith's, it's got an invoice for Smith's & Co. that's been raised for £150. So click on there. And Brown's PLC, it's got a bill that's been put on for Brown's PLC for £150. So again, I'd click on match. Go over in a bit more detail about how to do these in a moment. But you would just click on there and you'd click on add and add the relevant details. But that's it, simple as that. And like I said, in the next chapter, we'll go through a bit more detail on how you match and create transactions from the bank feed.